Welcome back, guys. Thank you for watching this video. So in this one I wanted to do a project to perform the oil change on my tractor, my riding lawnmower, which is Cub Cadet XT1 LT46. And there's something cool, not cool, something more useful information I wanted to share. I've been watching few videos, for the last 2-3 days, and there are few things I was just, as far as, buying the filter and the oil, I was kind of confused, and because I just hate to go directly on the Cub Cadet website and pay the retail price, which is, I think, pretty crazy when you pay that high price. So anyway, before we go forward, let me just, start information as I go. So yeah, my tractor or my mower is Cub Cadet LT46 XT1, and I can show you the exact model number that basically located under the seat. I know everybody has a different model number, but I'm going to show you what the one I have. So right under the seat is where you can find the actual model number. So I bought this in 2021 and I have about 48 hours. So this is the time to do a oil change. They recommend every 50 hours. The first one is like 5 hours, and this is like a second oil change, and this is again my model number. So what I wanted to show you, I guess I can give you a little kind of more, basic information, which most of you guys already know about it. But oil is what I wanted to kind of talk about. But let me just give you this quick demo. So yeah, to remove this pop hood, you have to, of course, pull this little cable here, which is connected for the LED light, which is here. I already removed it, but this is the cord. Once this is off, you just have to pull this lid out. You just pull it out and you see how it just came right off. Yep, it just came right off. And again, I already started the oil change, but it's pretty straightforward. You just have to, this yellow little nozzle, you have to kind of twist. Here you can see those little latch. So it's normally like this, So now it's closed. To open it, you twist it and you pull it like that. Now it's in open position. So here, that's where the filter is, and this is the filter. I took it out. So this is, of course, the brand name, which matches to the engine, or the little engine they have. But yeah, this is the one I removed. And the thing is, now the whole reason I wanted to make this video is, what I did not like about this filter is, it's nice, of course, but one, it's hard to find, and it's also not as cheap as like what you can buy in Walmart. This one is like literally 15 to 20 bucks, which I think is pretty crazy to spend 15-20 bucks on a filter when you can buy a car filter, of course the basic ones, literally like less than $5. I didn't like that. Same with the oil. This is the oil I'm gonna use. Now I got this oil from Honda because I also have a motorcycle, and this is the Honda brand, and I had this leftover. Now I talked to the company. For the colder environments, they recommend 5W30. Now if you are talking between 0 degree Fahrenheit to 100, they recommend 10W30. So I had this oil leftover, so this is what I'm going to use. This is SAE, and I talked to them. They said they recommend full synthetic, and this is 4-stroke engine oil, and I looked at it. 4-stroke actually burns less by the heat compared to the 2-stroke oil. So this is far better. So again, I'm not going with the Cub Cadet expensive recommended oil. Again, as long as you are going with the 10W30, the recommendation, you are pretty in good hands. You should be fine. So this is the oil I'm going with. And as far as filter, now that's a research I did. Now this is, again, I bought it in Walmart for $3.98 plus tax, or I think it was $3.88. Yeah, $3.88 plus tax. So a little over $4, which I think is pretty good deal compared to, going through Cub Cadet website, paying them like a shipping fee and almost like 20 bucks for a filter. I know you can buy in what they call Tractor Supply and stuff. It was still like 15 bucks or close to 15 bucks, which I think is pretty crazy to spend 15 bucks on a filter, especially when you're doing it yourself. I was not happy to go with that one. So again, this is the model number. This is the one I'm installing. It's a PH3614, and it fits. I verified it, but the only difference is a little longer. I can also show you side by side. It's a little longer, but honestly, it's not, big deal. It sticks out a little bit. it's going to be a little bit outside. See here, side by side. And again, of course, you have to put the oil, but I'm just going to quickly show you. Again, I'm just going to quickly show you how this one looks like when it's installed, and it fits perfect. Like, there is no issue with that. Let's see. Yep, there we go. There you go. So it sticks out like maybe this much, maybe an inch or a little over inch. But I did close this lid. I verified this lid is not impacting. The lid is actually right here. So it doesn't even touch to the filter. Now, of course, a bigger filter means the bigger, I guess, paper filter or more filtration system inside, which means it's filtering it very well. So don't be confused thinking you need a tiny one when you can spend less money and you can go with bigger filter. It's actually going to filter things even well. Just make sure in the dipstick when you use the 2-quart oil, just make sure it's basically, it's full, because of course it's going to use a little extra oil than the tiny one. But this is perfect in my case. So again, I think I'm going to end the video. I just wanted to show you some useful information on the oil you can use or the type of oil. Again, this is the Honda oil. I use it in my motorcycle. I used to have John Deere riding lawnmower and it uses the same oil. So I use this one. It worked perfect. And for this one, I'm going to use this Fram oil filter. And yeah, I mean, of course, I just have to, put some oil on the gasket, and then I'll put this puppy back in, put some oil, and then close this lid. But yeah, this is all I wanted to share. Again, thank you for watching. Let me know in my comment section if you have any question. And please like, share, and subscribe if you think this video is useful. And I will be also trying my best to post more videos, something similar like this. But again, the whole goal of this video is to let people aware you do not have to go with Cub Cadet brand oil, because technically Cub Cadet is using this Kohler engine, and if you use the Kohler engine, again, they're still I think $7-8 per quart, but this one is like little cheaper when you buy in a gallon, and I decided to go with this just because I have it. But this I think is far better for Honda, which is a Honda oil. Plus this is I think the more better deal, I guess, for compared to a filter. It's better to replace it. But anyway, thank you for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video soon. Thank you.